Bitcoin holders, prepare right now because 99% of you guys are going to get wrecked. This is DC Trading. Hit the like button, subscribe for daily Bitcoin technical analysis and price prediction. Let's get right into it. So if we take a look at the charts on the 4-hour, looking only at the MACD, what does this say? This is telling us that we are bearish right here. So a lot of traders are saying they are bearish. But if we take a look at the Bitcoin price, we actually have been consolidating for the past 2 to 3 days around $23,000 to $24,000. What does this say? This is saying that the bulls are preparing for another push above $25,000. Now, why is $25,000 very important? Well, guys, if we take a look at the weekly EMA ribbons right here, we are testing this EMA 55. What is the EMA 55? It's around $25,000. Now, if the weekly candle closes above this, we are bullish. And this means we are headed for a reversal. This doesn't mean we're, in the next bull run. This is just the next step towards, a bull run. So the first step is to close the weekly candle above $25,000 and close the second weekly candle. So we need 2 weekly candles to close in a row above 25,000. If this happens, that is the go, meaning that we are headed for a reversal, and then we're going to need the blue line, which is the EMA 55, and the yellow line, which is the EMA 20 to cross to actually confirm a bull run. Does that make sense, guys? Because a lot of you guys are going to get wrecked because once the weekly candle closes above 25,000 on the first, the first candle, a lot of you guys are going to buy in and fall for the trap. But I just want to make this very known that expect that we need 2 weekly candles to close. But right now we are still around 23,900, close to 24,000 if you round it. We are waiting for the MACD to cross to the upside. But as of right now, we are still selling, as you guys can see. Earlier yesterday, we did manage to pump to 24,500. Now, we do have some resistance, some key resistance we need to pay attention to because Bitcoin is going to need to break through these key resistance if we want to continue to 25,000. Tomorrow is going to be very important because the PCE comes out and we are going to be testing this area of resistance, which is around 24,700. If the Bitcoin price manages to break through it, it's guaranteed we're going to test once again the 25,000. And if we break through to the upside, this is a bullish scenario. This is just the first step to, a reversal. Now, let's take a look at the 2 best indicators for the Bitcoin price. What do we see on the S&P 500? Well, initially we were below 4,000. We just recovered just today. We're above now 4,012. Now looking at the DXY, what do we see here? Well, we saw 2 clear rejections, or actually 3 clear rejections at 104.5 right here, and right here, guys. We have to pay very close attention to these because if we break to 105, then expect a Bitcoin correction, not a pullback, a correction. And pay attention to this key support. As long as we stay above this key support, we still have a chance to test the 25,000. This key support is around 23,500. If the Bitcoin daily and 4-hour, patterns close below this price, we are bearish. And this means we should expect a big correction to 20,000. Now, what are some price predictions for this week? Well, guys, some bullish scenarios or bullish price prediction is a 25,200 because we have high liquidity, meaning as a Bitcoin whale, why wouldn't you want to pump up here? Also right here, the best case scenario is 26,800. If we break to this side, this will be even more bullish because we'll be over $2,000 above 25. This is very clear, guys, so pay attention. Because if this happens, well, guys, that means we are headed possibly for a reversal. Now, some bearish prices that we can hit is what? Well, if you look down here, we have 23,600 and we have 23,300. Those are very possible prices that Bitcoin can hit in the next few hours and maybe in the next 24 hours. So pay attention to that, because if we break below that, the worst case scenario is we see a correction to 22,100. If you break this right here, we're going to see a free fall possibly to $22,000, and this will be bad if we want the Bitcoin price to head to 25,000 this week. Now, overall, right now, the Bitcoin price is still bullish as long as we keep above 23,500, as you guys can see, this white line. And if we break through this resistance, which is the red line, this means we are definitely like 100% going to be testing the $25,000 once again. Now, why do I say be careful? Because 99% are going to get wrecked. As I said earlier in the video, if we break above and we close the weekly candle above 25,000, a lot of new traders are going to assume that we are in a reversal. No, guys, as I said, we need 2 weekly candles in a row to close above 25,000, and then this will mean that we are in a reversal. If you don't follow this, guys, this is where 99% of you guys are going to get wrecked. But with that said, guys, just pay attention to these key support and resistance right here. Also, if you take a look, there were just some more lines formed right here, which is 23,300. Also right here, which is 24,500, which is some resistance as well, guys, that we need to pay attention to. But with that said, guys, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for daily Bitcoin analysis. This is DC Trading. Let's get, see you guys in the next video. Peace.